Girl channel, I'm going to talk about my MUZZM backpack review. I think that's how it's pronounced. Please note that this review expresses just my personal opinions and is not influenced or sponsored by MUZZM. As a thank you for watching this review, please use the code TheTikiGirl below for 20% off your MUZZM purchase when checking out. What attracted me about this bag is that it's a perfect travel handbag. It's like a 3-in-1 travel backpack and duffel bag. I myself enjoy traveling and taking long hikes. They do come in 2 different sizes. They come in a small size and a large size. This particular backpack I have is a small one, which is perfect for me. It's not too big and it's not too small. This bag is perfect for indoor and outdoor activities or anywhere for international traveling, camping, hiking, or overnight trip. The material looks like it doesn't stain easily. It deflects dirt and it's durable and deflects water. It's able to fit a 15-inch laptop, 4 to 5 sets of summer clothes, shoes, your water bottle, your makeup bag, etc. So they also come in different prints as well. They come in a solid gray, a pink one, a black one. They also have a Caribbean print and a garden print. My choice is this autumn print. I picked this particular one just because it has a tropical vibe and look to it. So let me show you the features of this bag in a matter of minutes. The MUZZM backpack can be seamlessly converted into a duffel style, which I have here. See? And it can be slung over your shoulder as well. And look how easy you could alternate by carrying it based on its straps. I love how you could alter it and handhold it in different ways. The top opening, as you can see here, is the main compartment. It opens just from the top rather than the front. There's more spaces that store its belongings, and the good thing about it is it won't fall out. In the bag here, you can store your laptop, your iPhone here as well. And another pro is that this perfect size minimum, packers. As someone who loves to travel, liked having a backpack that fits everything for several days is great, and it's not too big and it can be used as a carrying on most flights. So as you can see, this is a plus. So you could carry it this way, you could pull it from this way, or you can also carry it as a duffel, or if you want, backpack. In addition, plus this MUZZM does ship, so I ordered my MUZZM backpack on a Monday and received it on a Friday. Being based on Singapore, and the company does operate outside of the United States, so I expected the delivery to take about a couple of weeks, but I was pleasantly surprised with the speed of the delivery. So since I received this on a Monday, I got it on like a week and a half, 2 weeks on a Friday. So make sure to check out the MUZZM online store for more backpack colors and different sizes to choose from. Again, and thank you for watching my YouTube review, and please use the code TheTikiGirl for 20% off your MUZZM purchase at checkout. Happy travels!